Oh, hey everybody. Here we are. It's the middle of September and I'm over at my neighbor's yard right now, Mr. Elzar, with my latest toy. It's called a Grandpa's Weeder, and what it does, it has this clasping tool on the end that will pinch and pull weeds out for you. So with that, it's actually marketed for dandelions, but I found that it works very well with crabgrass. Other people have found that too. So let's take a look at some crabgrass that we have in the yard. The secret with this is to, once you locate a piece of crabgrass, there you go, Elzar, that. Just get really close on that. Get really close on. So once you locate crabgrass, it's very important to get to the middle of the crabgrass stalk, and then put the tongs right over top of that. And in this case, I've just gone maybe a ½ inch deep and just levered it back and pulled it right out. So I'm going to do that over here with this other little guy here too. Just tap it in a little bit and lever it back. And on those occasions when you can't get it fully out, you just use this little hook here and just pull it out the rest of the way. I've got another piece of crabgrass here. Again, the hardest thing is to locate that center. Once you locate that center, just press it in a tiny bit, get that clamp working, and then yank it back. Okay, here's another piece of crabgrass going on. So I'm poking around just to see where I can get the center. I think I found it. Just give it a gentle push in there, and I got most of it. I'll go ahead and get this other little piece here. Just yank him out. So, I mean, just there real quick, you can see inside of, not even a minute, I've plucked out like 4 weeds that, I didn't have to get down on my hands and knees for. Now, one thing that did make it a little bit easier was that, the soil's a little moist right now. We had rain a few days ago. It would probably work just as well when it's dry ground. So let's go ahead and try a couple more just to see what they're like. There's another little one right here.
One thing, Joe, it's so addictive.
Oh yeah.
When you start pulling one, you have to look for another one.
Yeah, so that's the thing, as my friend Elzar is saying, that's one thing, is my friend Elzar is saying that once you start using this tool, it's kind of addictive. You can't really just stop it just doing a few. You've got to really keep going with it. And it's a good source of exercise. Okay, here's another one down here. Let's take a look at this one, Elzar. Just put it in ever so slightly and just yank it up. You can see it gets the root and all. Here's another one right here. And these are pretty small. A lot of times if you have a bigger crabgrass ball, you might have to go after it 2 times and use this tine tool here to pull it out. All right, here's another one in the lawn. We'll go ahead and go in and clamp him up and just tug him back ever so slightly. There's not a whole lot of force that you need, because the ground's a little soft. I'm just pushing that down with my hand. It's got it to its depth, and just lever it out. There's another little guy right there. Yank him out. Oh wow. I actually haven't tried this on dandelion yet, but I can see how it would be really good.
It worked with the garlic.
Oh yeah, let's go. Boy. Okay, those are pretty deep. So if you get to the depth, you can see it pulls them bulbs right out.
Bulbs right out. That's a good thing about it.
So in this case, this could be, because it's a small one, I've got to really go deep and get that pinch on it.
Yeah.
But it will grab it. Again, just like crabgrass, you got to center.
It's convenient.
That's huge. This is actually called goosegrass. Okay, I see the stalk now. I've got it. I'm on the center.
Wow.
This one's taking a little bit of force to pull up.
That is,
and I've only We got half of it.
That's the beauty about that thing. It pulls out the roots. That's
Yep.
a good job.
Hey guys.
Yep.
Okay, let's it right out. Yes. And also get right on the center of this one.
Yep.
Get them all out.
There's that one.
Yeah, it's easy because you can see right where the center is.
Yeah.
You get the center, no problem. Pulling it out slower
Wow,
seems
it's
like
really good.
Hi everybody, thanks so much for watching today's video. Hopefully this will help you decide whether or not you want to try this tool. I think it's a great tool for pulling your common weeds out of your lawn. It's really designed for working well with the dandelion type weed, which has that long root inside of it. But you know, as we saw, you know, work great on crabgrass. It's a little bit of a pricey tool. You know, it's a substantial tool and should last for many, many years. It's well designed and really easy to use. So thanks everybody for watching. See you next time.